Sandra, and it's time to do my May giveaway. And I was looking through my stash of giveaway stuff, and I do need to order some more. But I don't know how you feel about Halloween, but I love Halloween nails. So I really like Halloween. I love the fall season, and I'm always excited about it once summer is coming to a complete. And for me, summer is over with at the end of July. By August the 1st, I put up my Halloween stuff. So yes, I am a Halloween freak, but I'm also a Christmas freak too. So I get excited with those two holidays. So today, what I decided I was going to give away, yes, is 2 Halloween plates. At least you'll have it in time for Halloween. So the first one that I wanted to give away is M408, and this is a really cool Halloween plate. This is, so if you haven't figured this out by now, most of the time when I give these plates away, it's always plates that I really, really like. So, of course I have this plate, and I just think it's really adorable. We've got all these little pumpkins. I love this swirly thing here. I love the pumpkins with the court jester hats on, and then all these individual things that I really like this guy too, this pumpkin head. And the full nails are great, and so are the individual things. So if you don't have this plate and you get it, you're going to really enjoy it. Okay, so that's the first one, 408. The second plate I want to show you, and this is another one that I really like. And if you go on Maniology's website and you type in this plate, you'll see the designs that they've done. And the one that they did with this one is really cool. But I love everything on here too. I like this and the moon and the sun stuff. All these full nail designs are cool. And then the cat. And this reminds me of one of the really old plates that I actually used to have, and I ended up exchanging it for some other plates. But and I think that I had heard one of the people who do these nail videos said that even with all these plates, the designs show up on other plates, some of the designs. I don't know if it's all of them or some of them. So this really reminded me of that old Halloween plate that Maniology did a while ago. So, I have seen some repeats from old plates, like, certain designs. So it's kind of neat that they do come back, but they're just kind of in different plates, different kind of form. So anyway, this is M412. So these are the 2 plates that I'm going to give away in May. So how this works is, what I need you to do is put enter me or enter in the comments, and I will pick a winner on May the 30th, which is Friday. I'll either pick a winner on Friday or Saturday, and I will announce it no later than Saturday, late afternoon. And you have to have your entry in by no later than 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 30th. So if you send in your enter me after 5 p.m., I'm not going to count it. It'll just be deleted, and it won't be in the giveaway. So there's a couple things that you must do. You have to absolutely put enter or enter me in the comments. And you must be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, then you are not going to be chosen as a winner. So those are the 2 criteria. And then you have to be timely. So it has to be in by 5 p.m. on Friday the 30th. Once a winner is selected, all you have to do, the winner sends me their mailing address, and I will mail the plates to them probably Monday or Tuesday of the next week. So there you have it. Good luck to everyone. And don't forget, especially since I'm giving away some Maniology plates. If you do order something from Maniology, please don't forget to use my discount code, which is NS10, and this gives you 10% off, and it gives me a little bit of commission so I can continue these giveaways. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.